Hi, and welcome back to my channel. This is where I like to share my baking and cooking videos and recipes with you. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and delicious zucchini bread. Let's get started. You will need the following ingredients to make this easy zucchini bread. You will need 1/3 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 3/4 cups dark brown sugar, 1.5 cups flour, 1 cup grated zucchini, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, half a cup of miniature chocolate chips with 1 tablespoon divided out, the following spices, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. You will also need a mixing bowl with a wire whisk and a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan lined with parchment paper. Spelt flour has a mild nutty flavor and is usually sold in these small little bags, which can be easily found in your grocery store these days. Today I'm using Anita's Organic Mill whole grain stone ground spelt flour, but you can also find another brand called Bob's Red Mill, which also has spelt flour. But of course, if you would prefer to use all-purpose flour, that'll work perfectly fine in this recipe as well. Once you've grated the zucchini, gently wrap it in a tea towel to absorb the excess moisture. In a large bowl, add the oil, milk, brown sugar, ground flaxseed, and vanilla extract, and whisk it up. Now we can go ahead and add the grated zucchini and give it a mix. Next, we're going to add the flour, the baking powder, the baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Now we're going to mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until they're just combined. We add the miniature chocolate chips in next and give it a mix. The batter's all done and ready to transfer to the loaf pan. With an offset spatula, I smooth out the top. And finally, we add the 1 tablespoon of miniature chocolate chips that we divided out in the beginning. Before baking the loaf, I remove the clips and trim the parchment paper so that it's flush with the top of the pan. Bake at 350 degrees for 50 minutes. For easier slicing, I chilled the bread in the fridge for a couple of hours. Here's our finished zucchini bread, and as you can see, it turned out really well. It doesn't rise very high, but that's why I cut it into really nice thick slices so that you get a really nice piece. And let's give this a try. It's really good. It has a nice mild nutty flavor that comes from the spelt flour. And you can taste the chocolate chips and you can see the zucchini, but you can't taste it, which I think is a good thing. So this is a really great bread to try. It's quick and easy with very little cleanup because everything is mixed in one bowl. So please give this zucchini bread a try.